Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited today. And if you are new here, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to create a flyer, a birthday flyer design. A lot of people has been asking me that how can I design birthday flyer in Photoshop? Some people they are familiar to Canva, which is also a great app that you can use. But now we'll be using this Photoshop software to design a birthday poster flyer design. So now let's create a new file. You come here. We'll be using 1000 by 1000 and 100 resolution. I used to design my projects using pixels. So now let's click on create. So now please, I want you to be attentive, and if you've not subscribed, please, I'm saying it again, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So now let's move on to today's business. So now we'll be using a background. So this is the background we'll be using. You can use the background of your choice. You can just go to free pick, just click on white background with pattern. You will see a lot there. So now, as a Photoshop user, I used to say it in my tutorials that you must pay attention to these layers here, because your layers can be controlled here. All this object that is inside here, you can be controlling them here. So now the first thing we are going to do to this image that is here, to this background here, we're going to first rasterize this layer. And one of the reasons why we used to rasterize layer is that so that the object will be very, very movable, and just you'll be able to navigate it around. So now let's bring out the image we'll be using for this birthday flyer design. So now let's come here. We're using this. I got this image from Unsplash. You can also get it from Unsplash too. Just go there, just type gay or lady pictures or African lady and all of that. You will get a lot. So now I will scale it through, scale it up like this. So in birthday designs, the attention should be on the person that is doing the birthday. Do you understand now? So let me just rasterize this layer too. Now come to this background. Come to this background layer here. So we'll be decreasing the opacity. So let's just scale it to, okay, I think 50% is okay like this. So now we'll be separating this image here, this lady here, we'll be separating this lady from the background, because there's this kind of like it's too close to each other. I don't know if you get it, but you see what I'm saying right now. Let me just bring one image. I'll use it to separate the background. So I'm coming. So I'll pick this. So now if I pick this, now you can get this image on Google. Just type light glow. You're going to get a lot of colors there. I have different colors. I have the one of green, blue, pink, and all of that. So now I will first rasterize this. I will come here, this place. You click this place and scroll down. You will see a lot of this thing. You can use a lot of effects. So now, but I will be using overlay. So I'll be using overlay. Then I will place it. You will click here. Then you drag it down. Then it will like demarcate the background from the image. So we also be using this same object here to form a glow effect. So I just want to save this as birthday flyer design. So let's click enter. So let's move on now. Okay, now I'll be bringing that same image. Now I'll click on place embedded here. Click here, right here. We just want to create some kind of glow effect in the face of our object, which is the lady here. Don't forget to rasterize the layer. Then click on this same box here. Come here. We'll be using screen. So let's just drag it. Let's decrease the size of this glow here. Just drop it there. I believe you are following. Okay. So now let's just drag this to the side here. I just feel like this background that we use is too sharp. You can also decrease the opacity once again. Just decrease it. I think it's okay like this. So now, the goal of this tutorial is just to design a birthday flyer as fast as possible. So now let's come to our text here. Just click on it. Just type happy birthday. So now we're going to increase the size here, increase the size and the space between the letters. You can increase it here, or between the word rather. So this one here is between the words, but this one is between the letters. So now let's just scale it through. Okay. Let's drop it here. So now let me increase the size of this our lady here a little bit. So let's move this here. So now we'll be putting this same glow effect on this happy birthday here, but before that I want to create a kind of effect with this happy birthday that is here. This is what I will do. I will come to this layer here, then click on it, right click on it, then you click on duplicate layer. After duplicating the layer, just drag it like left side. You can drag it at your left or this side here. So now let's click on this one that is at the top here. Let's right click on it. You come to blending options. After coming to your blending options here, just click on stroke, then you pick the color. After picking a color here, come to we want to pick a color that is in this lady's outfit. Click on it here, then come to this blending option, come to fill opacity, just decrease it to 0, then now click OK. So now just okay, this is what we want to, this is the effect that we want to make here. So now we're taking this same glow effect, we're bringing it and place it on the happy birthday text. So let me duplicate this. Let's just place it, and you see that this glowing effect is showing at the back of the happy birthday. You can just drag it up. That's why I said that you must be very, very familiar with your layers here. So just put it somewhere here, then let's decrease the opacity. Let's just leave it at something around, I think this 64 is okay. So now let's name this our our lady here. Let me name it Aziza. So I'm going to do it like this. Aziza, and I'm going to change the font here. Let me change the font to Roboto here, and you can get the Roboto. You can just go to that font. You get a lot of you go to dafont.com. You're going to get a lot of font there. Then you download it, then you install it on your PC, then you'll be making use of it on your Photoshop. So now I want to make this Aziza bold. So now I'm going to scale it and just decrease the size to 24. 24 is okay. just drop it here. Just drop it here like this. So now there's a word I want to drop in here, like to just greet the birthday celebrant. So let's come in. I have the text already placed here, so I'll just click on Ctrl C to copy, come back to my Photoshop here, click it, then you paste it. So now you see that this one arranged it in his own way, because now we are in Adobe, we are not in Microsoft this thing. So now click here, you just want to scale it through. Okay, so now let us just decrease the size a little bit. So in between the words, the letters, we're going to decrease the spaces. Okay, I think this is okay like this. So let us just drop it around here. So now we want to create another layer here. Just drag it like this. This layer is having a stroke. This layer, this shape here, if you want to remove the stroke, come here and just click on this race, click on this icon here, then you see that the stroke is not there. But let's make use of the stroke, because the color of the stroke is correlating with this glow that is here. So let's come back, then click this one, so that this thing is back. So let's just drop it around here. So in this layer that is here, we're going to put the date. So let me just use 0805, and now I will change the color. It's because the color of the text is in red, that's why you are not seeing it. Let's just change it to white. And now we're going to make it more bigger. Let me make this medium. So I think this one is okay. So now we want to arrange it very well. We are done already with this project now, but we want to arrange our objects, all the object that is inside this project. We want to make sure everything is arranged. Then come to view here, come to view, come to guides, then click on new guides. So this place, you can come to this horizontal here. If you click on it, those things that will serve, the ruler that will serve as your guide will be in horizontal level like this. And if you want it to be in vertical, you come to view again, click on guides, new guides, click on this vertical, see that. Okay, now you want to arrange it. You want to make sure that they are aligned. Let's use this horizontal here. You want to make sure that the edge of this rectangle tool that is here is aligning with this. Okay, just come here. Okay, now we are done. So if you made it to to the end of this tutorial, please drop a like and subscribe if you've not subscribed. But if you are already a subscriber, you are my real G. So thanks for watching.